In this video, I'm going to show you how to install locally this stable diffusion to convert a text into an image. For this purpose, I'm going to use Amazon SageMaker Notebook instance. I'm already logged into my account and have this G4DNX large notebook instance running. As a first step, you need to set your environment variable listing Hugging Face token. If you don't have the Hugging Face token, then all you need to do is to go to Hugging Face website, go into your profile, into settings, and within settings, you need to go to access tokens. And from there, either you create a new token or grab the existing one. So let me set that token in my this notebook instance, which is just a Jupyter notebook. So let me do it. This is where you need to replace your token and run it. I already have run it and I also have imported few of the Python libraries. Second step is to install the transformer library with the pip command. It is running, so let's wait for it to finish. Shouldn't take too long as it is fairly quick and easy. Once transformers is installed, third step is to install the diffusers library with the pip. And this is also very quick. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so it's already finished. So that is great. Now the next step is to download the model itself, the stable diffusion one. And as you can see in these commands, I'm first importing this diffusion pipeline, and then by using this pipeline I'm downloading this runwayml stable diffusion model, and then I'll be creating this function. So let me run it. It is running now, as you can see from static. So let's wait for it to finish. So it took around 5 minutes to download the whole model, and then it has given me the prompt back. Next step after downloading the model is to run the prompt. So as you can see, I'm asking it that a kangaroo on white sandy beach, and then I'm passing this text prompt to this model. So let's see if it is able to convert this image or not. Let's wait for it to finish. So as you can see, it is still running. It is 80% done converting my text prompt to image, but it hasn't displayed the image yet. I've been waiting for the last 20 or so minutes, but it is still not completed. I believe the reason is that I'm just using one GPU. So because it's image manipulation task, so it needed more powerful instance. So, but this is the process which we follow, and as soon as this will finish, it will generate me a new one. Another reason why I think it is taking so much time because I'm using a lot of tokens here. That could be one of the reasons. So let me try it out with a simple token just to finish off this loop, and then maybe I could just say cat here, and then let's see what it does. I reloaded my Jupyter notebook and ran this prompt with the cat again, and it has started from zero. After reloading, it is showing me this 100%, but it didn't show me the image. It showed me the in my previous attempt, but it took around 1 hour for it to finish. Anyway, let's give it 5 minutes to see if it finishes. Otherwise, we'll finish up this video, and I will recreate this prompt on a more powerful GPU server. And if you want to try this out by yourself, I will also paste all of these commands in on my blog, and I will drop the link in my video's description. Anyway, let's give it 5 minutes because it seems to be running um, in a good with a good speed as compared to the previous one because there is just one token. So let's wait for it to finish for 5 to 10 minutes and see what happens. So that part failed again. So what I did, I installed Accelerate with pip, and then I'm trying again, but still it is taking a lot of time. Anyway, so I will just stop this video here, and I'll share the commands. And I'll do, I will recreate this notebook on a more powerful instance, and then I will show you there if this stable diffusion is able to generate the image from this prompt or not. Thanks very much for your patience and for watching this video. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.